car vacuum cleaners ensure quick, convenient removal of dust, crumbs, and pet hair, keeping vehicles clean, fresh, and hygienic daily. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for daily cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cfulan Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This portable vacuum packs impressive power into a compact design. Equipped with a 21 kPa brushless motor, it delivers strong, consistent suction that easily removes sand, crumbs, pet hair, and dust from car interiors, home corners, and even delicate electronics. Despite its small size, it performs like a full-sized cleaner. The 4-in-1 multifunctional design makes it more than just a vacuum. It can vacuum, blow, inflate, and even vacuum seal, reducing the need for multiple devices. With 8 professional accessories included, such as a crevice tool, flexible hose, floor nozzle, blower nozzle, and inflation tips, it handles tight gaps, large debris, and airbeds with ease. Weighing only 1.43 pounds, it's lightweight and portable enough to fit under car seats or in door pockets. The built-in battery offers up to 45 minutes of runtime and recharges in just 2.5 hours via Type-C. One-touch emptying and a HEPA filtration system that captures 99.9% of microdust ensure easy maintenance and cleaner air, making it a practical everyday cleaning companion. Now our second product is HYcr Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The HYcr 3-in-1 multifunctional mini car vacuum cleaner is a compact yet powerful solution for everyday cleaning. Designed for blowing, suction, and pumping, it easily handles keyboards, computer cases, car seats, sofas, tight window gaps, and even workshop debris. Its versatility makes it ideal for both home and automotive use. Powered by an upgraded brushless motor, this handheld vacuum delivers up to 17,000 pascals of strong suction, with 3 adjustable levels ranging from 7 kilopascals to 17 kilopascals. Whether you're dealing with fine dust, sand, crumbs, or pet hair, it cleans efficiently with minimal effort. Weighing only 380 g, the foldable, cordless design makes it incredibly portable. Once folded, it fits right into your palm, perfect for storage in a car compartment or drawer. The built-in 3x2500 mAh batteries ensure long-lasting performance, while Type-C charging offers convenient recharging anywhere. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter and durable fine steel filter, plus a full set of practical accessories, this mini vacuum delivers impressive performance in a lightweight, travel-friendly package. Our third product is MR.EGO Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The MR.EGO car vacuum cleaner delivers serious power in a compact body. Driven by a 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it produces up to 20,000 pascals of strong, consistent suction, perfect for removing stubborn crumbs, dust, pet hair, and debris from car crevices, desktops, and keyboards. It's a reliable solution for quick yet thorough cleanups. Its 4-in-1 versatility makes it more than just a vacuum. In addition to vacuuming, it can blow dust from tight gaps, inflate air mattresses or pool floats, and even deflate or seal storage bags. The included accessories, crevice tools, brush heads, extended suction nozzles, and dual-purpose air nozzles ensure it adapts easily to home, car, or outdoor tasks. A bright green LED light helps reveal hidden dirt in dark corners, seat gaps, and floor mats for more precise cleaning. Weighing only 1 pound, it's ultra-lightweight and portable. With Type-C fast charging, one-touch emptying, and simple HEPA maintenance, this mini vacuum combines convenience, power, and practicality in one smart device. Now number 4, ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. This mini car vacuum is a practical and reliable solution for keeping your vehicle spotless. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it's compact, lightweight, and ergonomically designed for comfortable handling. The large dustbin easily collects ash, dust, crumbs, and drive-through spills, making it ideal for everyday messes and quick detailing sessions. Powered by a strong 106W motor, it uses cyclonic force and powerful suction to lift stubborn dirt, sand from beach trips, and pet hair from seats and carpets. It's especially effective for hard-to-reach areas like under seats and between cushions. The washable HEPA filter ensures efficient filtration while maintaining long-term performance. This interior car cleaning kit includes 3 useful attachments: flathead, extendable hose, and brush nozzle, along with a carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter for added convenience. Unlike battery-powered units, it runs on a 12V auxiliary outlet, so you never worry about charging. The 16-foot cord provides ample reach to clean back seats and the trunk with ease. And our last choice is Hrycf car vacuum cleaner. This powerful car vacuum delivers impressive 20,000 pascal suction, making it easy to clean seats, carpets, tight corners, and stubborn debris. From daily dust to embedded crumbs and pet hair, it provides the strong performance you need for a consistently spotless ride. For best results, simply ensure the battery is fully charged before first use. Designed for convenience, this cordless vacuum offers true cleaning freedom. With modern Type-C charging, you can power it up anywhere, no wall outlet required. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited reach, and enjoy hassle-free portability wherever you go. Its 4-in-1 versatility sets it apart. Beyond suction, it can blow debris from tight spaces, inflate small items, and brush delicate surfaces. With 12 included tools, it adapts easily to car interiors, home spaces, and office desks. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight and compact enough to store in your glove box or trunk. Whether tackling bedroom crumbs, kitchen spills, or car messes, this handheld vacuum is a reliable, go-anywhere cleaning companion. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.